In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text and emails using Microsoft Copilot Desktop. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot on your computer and begin a new conversation. Starting fresh helps keep your translation requests clear and makes it easier for Copilot to focus on the specific text you want translated. First, let's look at translating regular text. Copy the text you want to translate, then paste it directly into the Copilot chat. As an example, you can use this sentence: "Thank you for contacting us. We have received your request and will get back to you within 24 hours. Once the text is pasted in, type a simple instruction such as, "Translate this text into Spanish." Then send the message. Copilot will return the translated version in the language you requested. This is a quick and useful way to handle short messages, customer replies, notes, or everyday business communication. You can also use Microsoft Copilot Desktop to translate full emails, which is especially helpful when you need to understand or respond to professional communication in another language. For this example, paste a professional email written in French into the chat. After the email is in place, enter this instruction: "Translate this email from French to English, keep the tone professional, and preserve the original meaning." Copilot will then generate an English version of the email while trying to maintain the original tone and intent. This is important because with emails, you usually want more than a direct word-for-word translation. You want the message to sound natural while still reflecting what the sender originally meant. If needed, you can continue the conversation and ask Copilot to translate the same content into a different language. You can also ask it to adjust the tone, for example, making the translation more formal or more conversational depending on your audience. That flexibility can save time when you're working with international clients, coworkers, or general correspondence. Before you use or send any translated content, always take a moment to review it carefully. This step matters because names, industry terms, timing details, and subtle phrasing can sometimes need a final human check. Even when the translation looks good, it's smart to confirm that everything is accurate and appropriate for the situation. And that's how you can translate text and emails using Microsoft Copilot Desktop.